2025 is just around the corner and the world of work is changing faster than ever before. Are you ready to take charge of your career and stay ahead of the curve? Welcome to Handalix, where we empower you with the skills that will set you apart in the competitive workplace of tomorrow. Mastering key work skills ensures success. And guess what? The skills you need in 2025 are already here. It's time to get ahead of the game. Let's dive into the top skills that will unlock your future. Digital literacy. Digital literacy. In 2025, tech will be everywhere. AI, automation, and data analytics will redefine industries. But here's the thing, it's not enough to know how to use a computer. You need to understand how technology can work for you. Get comfortable with digital tools, learn coding basics, and dive into data-driven decision-making. Trust me, it's the language of tomorrow. Adaptability and problem solving. Next, adaptability and problem solving. The future of work will be unpredictable. Markets will shift, technology will evolve, and new challenges will arise. But what will set you apart? Your ability to stay adaptable and solve problems quickly. It's about thinking on your feet, finding solutions when no one else can, and remaining flexible when everything changes around you. Emotional intelligence. And let's not forget emotional intelligence. In a world driven by technology, human connection will still be the heart of success. The ability to understand and manage your emotions and those of others will be critical. Building meaningful relationships, collaborating with diverse teams, and leading with empathy will give you a distinct edge. So, are you ready to master these essential skills? 2025 is the year you take control of your future. Start developing these skills today and watch your career soar. Subscribe now to Handalix and join us on this exciting journey toward mastering the future of work. Don't wait for the future to catch up with you. Be the one who leads it.